Hi, this is Robbie Dodenbeer. I'm going to demonstrate the Enhancement 2 exercise today. Go ahead and start off with, here is my connection PHP. Let me just start off here. Here is my connection file. I'm going to start off with it actually being correct. So if I try to hit my connection file, as you can see, nothing is returned back. If I jump back over here, let me go ahead and just basically give this an error. You'll see here that it is rightfully redirected over to the error page. So I'm just going to quickly change that back. Okay, jumping now over to the SQL statements. Let me jump over to the PHP admin. If I do a select asterisk from client, you'll see here no clients exist. So if I take my first query here, which is going to insert the Tony Stark client into the database, paste that in there, go ahead and hit go, come back here, I can actually just do the browse. You can see here Tony Stark, client ID 1, Tony Stark, client email, client password, client level, and their comment. The next thing here is to update the client level to 3. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just paste that in there, run it. Successful. If I browse again, you can see here client level is now set to 3. So the next one here is to update an inventory item. So I'm going to go back to my browser. I'm going to come into inventory. I've reset all of this here, so this should be the standard here. Okay, so nylon rope, this nylon rope. So I'm going to go ahead and run my update and replace statement. Paste that in there, go, no error messages, go back to the browse, and this has changed from nylon to climbing with a capital C and a lowercase c here. We're going to just do a quick inner join query here, pulling in some of the categories. Here, let me just do a quick SQL statement, paste that in there, hit go, and as you can see here, 7 things were returned. And then finally, we're doing a delete statement where we're deleting this car from the inventory. Jump to SQL, paste it. Actually, before I do that, let's go back to inventory, just so you can see, yep, this is inventory ID 7. Here's the car. Paste that in there. Go. Yes, I want to delete. Come back to browse. And you can see 7 is now missing. So I believe that is all that is in the assignment. So thank you for watching.